Hello viewers, welcome back again to our YouTube channel. So today we are going to study that how can we solve an equation. If a given equation you have, then how will we solve to find out the value of this given variable. In this equation, first we have the variable y and we have to find out the value of y. So first of all, I am going to tell you a single method, which is simply what? We have to find out the value of y. It means we have to put it in a single form. So those the numbers which are in multiple or in division form with it, we have to remove them. For that particular term, whatever you are going to change on the left side, you have to change on the right side also. Here it is LHS and this side is RHS. Suppose if I am going to add 1 over here on the LHS, so you have to add 1 on this side also. It simply means that those changes you are making on one side, you have to make the same changes on other side also. Then only the equation will correct and you will get your right answer. So here for solving this equation, I'll do what? I'm going to divide on both sides by 5. On LHS also, and for RHS also. So this 5 and 5 will cancel out. We have only y, which is equals to, this will cancel out to gives us 7. And here we have the answer of our variable, given variable. So that is the method to find out. Or secondly, we can solve this equation in another way also. That is, I'm going to solve it again. 5y is equals to 35. So those numbers are simply the coefficient of variable. This 5 is called the coefficient of y. If this particular coefficient is in multiple on one side, after transferring toward the other side of equals sign, we will change its symbol. Okay, so if it is multiply over here, it will goes transferred on this side. We have division. If it is division over here, on the other side we have multiplication. If it is addition over here, it will gives us subtraction and so on. So here 5, which is the coefficient of y, is in multiplication term. So we can write as y is equals to 35 divided by 5, and you can find the same answer again. 35 when divided by 5 gives us 7. So that is the answer. Second question, I'm taking some more examples. Here m by 2 is equals to 5. We have to find out the value of m over here. First method, what we will do is simply the hit and trial method. Here we have to remove this number 2 from this side so that we can find out the value of m. So what you can do for it? For this simple, we can multiply it by 2. 2 multiplied by m by 2. So on LHS, if I am going to multiply by 2, so on the other side RHS, I have to do the same process. 5 multiplied by 2. So this 2 and 2 will be cancelled out. Single m will remain, and here 5 multiplied by 2 will gives us 10, the answer. That is the first method. Let's solve it by second method also. M by 2 is equals to 5, or this 2 is in multiplication term on this coefficient term. So on the other side it will transfer to get into multiplication. So again we have 5 into 2, which gives us 10. So both the methods, you can use any one of them to solve the given equation, which will easier to you. You can apply that. So that was the method to solve an equation. Thank you.